Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to feed your buddy in Pokemon Go. Feeding your buddy Pokemon in Pokemon Go keeps them happy, allows them to join you on the map, and earns hearts for the daily buddy interaction tasks. So here is how you do it. First of all, open your Pokemon Go application on your mobile device, and once you're logged in, tap on your trainer's profile icon at the bottom left corner. Select your Buddy Pokémon from the body screen and then click on Quick Treats. You will see Berries option at the bottom of the screen. Simply select the berry you would like to feed to your Buddy Pokémon. After you do that, your Buddy Pokémon will eat the berry. You will see an animation and their hunger meter will increase. Give your buddy the berries until the hunger meter is full. Once full, your buddy will appear on the map beside you, and that's how you can easily feed your buddy Pokemon in Pokemon Go. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more Pokemon Go tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.